Before I start painting, I want to share a little thought I had before I decided to make art tutorials. I remember when I first became curious about watercolors, all I wanted was to find simple step-by-step tutorials showing how to paint different things, so I could get comfortable with the paint itself. But sometimes I felt that some details or information were missing, the kind of things I personally needed at that stage. I'm still learning too, and that's something I really enjoy because every time I paint, I discover something new for myself. So if you watch my tutorials, enjoy them, and want to follow along, please let me know in the comments if there's anything that feels unclear or if you think some information is missing. Don't hesitate to ask questions. So today we are going to paint two pear halves on the plate. Here's my sketch, and I'll be using a size 9 synthetic round brush for the whole painting. And if your sketch looks a little different from mine, that's completely okay. I'm starting by covering the pear with a thin layer of water. The colors we are using today are very limited, and the main color for the pears is yellow ochre. Start with a light wash of this color, then slowly add more details, just like you see in the video. Next, we are going to use burnt umber for the darker details to show that the pear is ripe and sweet. Keep building the texture gently, but try not to overwork it. This part is very important. One of the beautiful things about painting is that you can hang your artwork in your home, give it to your grandma or a friend as a gift, and make someone happy. And it's special because you created it yourself and put a part of your soul into it. Now, when we finish painting the second pear half using only yellow ochre and burnt umber, we can start mixing the color for the shadow. For the shadow, we will use Ultramarine Blue and burnt Sienna. I'm applying the shadow under the pears and also using it to define the shape of the plate. I also decided to add a little burnt umber under each pear to make them look less flat and a bit more interesting. You can also add more shadows on the left side, like shadows coming from tree branches, but that's completely optional. Thank you so much for painting with me, and I hope this little pear illustration brought you a calm and cozy moment. I will see you in the next video.